mesovortex twisters here in the Eyewall.
He texted you and I.
Crazy Category 3 Hurricane Milton is just unloading on St. Petersburg.
No, I don't have any message.
Oh. I think he meant to tag you. It says Ben and Rama, but it's not you. And he said, hey, how are you all doing? So I think he meant to put you in this.
Another tornado in the Eyewall. Another twister in the Eyewall. Look at that. Look how fast it's spinning. Counterclockwise rotation.
This is Ben.
Wow.
And
Milton is wilding out here.
But it has no phone number. It's just his Rama.
Maybe he changed my... I don't know, it's weird.
He texted saying, hey, how are you all doing? He texted this yesterday. But I didn't see that. He texted that. I think I saw this, but I thought he meant it just to you, so I didn't respond.
Another tornado, another mesovortex, another twister. Look at that. See how it's twisting? See, when tornadoes, they suck, they lift from the ground up. See that? It was ground up. It's lofting these mulch and grass from the ground and lifting them up towards the base of the cloud, which is at about 2,000 feet. Yep, there it goes. That's the twisting. Hey, you don't need to slap me like that, plant. I've been good to you. Plant, slap me. That's wrong. See, all these trees go by. They all have a soul. That's why I told him to stop smacking me. The biggest lesson these things teach humans is if you're flexible, you can adapt to any stress. Not a single one to snap. Like that is just wild. lost count of the number of times that attempted to pummel these poor trees, and they're standing tall and confident. So tomorrow they will stand tall and confident, like nothing touched them. No, you would not know they stood here through 6 tornadoes under Eyewall of May 30.